సో రేస్ టు విన్ ఫౌండేషన్ మెయిన్ ఎయిమ్ ఏంటంటే సోషల్ వెల్ఫేర్ని మా ఈ స్టేట్లో పెంచడానికి, టు మేక్ ఇట్ బెటర్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ గవర్నమెంట్ చాలా చేస్తున్నారు, బట్ ఐ థింక్ యాజ్ పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టేట్ వీ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ ఒక బాధ్యత ఉంటుంది యునో మా పైన. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ వై రేస్ టు విన్ ఫౌండేషన్, ఈవెన్ మేము డెమోక్రాటిక్ సంఘాలు, దట్స్ వాట్ వీ వాంట్ టు డూ. I'd like to thank Race2Win Foundation for taking up these causes to make social welfare better in this state. I think it's not an easy task at all. Anganwadi Centre ni chusin tarvata I think you are on to a great start. Idi vaalla first initiative ikkada, and like I've said before, there are about 32,000 to 35,000 Anganwadi centers in this state where they don't have even the basics akkada. So looking at the center and seeing the children, chala happy ga unnaru pillalu andaru, and they've also gotten a flat screen TV and inta colorful ga chesaru ikkada. It's so beautiful. I'd like to wish Race2Win Foundation all the very best in all their initiatives. They will 100% do a lot for the social welfare of this state, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
First of all, thank Chaitanya, who's the backbone behind this whole thing. We started a foundation called Race2Win Foundation in December 20th, which was launched in Malakpet. Of course, with brand ambassador and dignity honors like Shushmita Sen, Renuka Chaudhary garu, the US Consul General, etc. And after that, we did not do anything. And dan tarvata em cheyaledu. So, in fact, Democratic Sangha represented by Chaitanya and Regina, who are trustees in that, we've been working very closely to see how and the funds go to the right cause. So appudu we sat together and we thought, why not we start small but for a big cause. Appudu Chaitanya suggested that this is the good cause for us to start off, and cheppi we started this Anganwadi renovation completely.